Greetings, Windows 10 users. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of forgetting a Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 device. Whether you want to remove an old network or troubleshoot connection issues, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Hey there! Are you looking to forget a Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 device? We've got you covered. Here are the simple steps to follow. Step 1. Start by pressing the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the Start menu, navigate to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet to access the network settings. Step 4. Within the Network and Internet section, click on Wi-Fi from the left pane. Step 5. Now, under the Wi-Fi settings, look for the Manage Known Networks option and click on it. Step 6. A list of all the known Wi-Fi networks will appear. Select the network you want to remove and click on the Forget button. And there you have it. You have successfully forgotten the selected Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 device. This is particularly useful when you no longer want your device to automatically connect to a specific network, or if you're experiencing connectivity issues. Congratulations! You have learned how to forget a Wi-Fi network on Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove unwanted networks or troubleshoot connection problems. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a hassle-free Wi-Fi experience on your Windows 10 device.